Everyone, you're welcome to Martin Online Maths class. So let's discuss this simple question on indical equation leading to quadratic equation. So we are given 2 raised to power 2x plus 2 bracket 3 raised to power x minus 2 equals to 0. So here we cannot express both sides to have the same base now, because you can see there is a power here, there is a power here, s is here, s is here. So what we need to do is that we need to rewrite this first term of this equation as 2 raised to power s. Writing that now, we will have 3 raised to power x, all raised to power 2, plus 2 bracket 3 raised to power x minus 3 equal to 0. If you recall from your laws of indices that n is equals to am bracket n. Using this idea, I write to this form. Then I will say let p, you can choose any variable of your choice, equals to 3 raised to power x. Therefore, I have p squared plus 2p minus 3 equal to 0. And this leads us to what we do the quadratic equation. Since the quadratic equation and coefficient of p squared is a unit number, I will go straight to introduce 2 brackets. I will write the variable p. Here. I will look for 2 numbers that their product will give me the last term and their sum will give me the quotient of the middle term. And that 2 numbers are factors of 3. What are factors of 3 is 1 and 3, the 2 factors of 3. So, but since the sign of the last term is negative and the sign of the middle term is positive, it implies that the bigger number will be positive while the small number will be negative among the 2 factors found. Okay, if we check it now, plus 3 times minus 1 give us minus 3, and plus 3 minus 1 give us 2, which is quotient of the middle term. Then I will replace it back, which is now plus 3 and minus 1. Use this factorization method. Therefore, either now proceed to solve the equation. Either p plus 3 equal to 0 or p minus 1 equal to 0. Solve for p here, I have that p is equal to 0 minus 3 or p equals to 0 plus 1. P is equal to minus 3 or p is equal to 1. But this is not the actual variable we are looking for. What we're looking for here is s. But if we recall previously that we said that p is equal to 3 raised to power s. Therefore, when p is equal to minus 3, we have that minus 3 is equal to 3 raised to power x. Since I have negative here, it means that we will not have no solution for this for now because it's negative 3. Then when p is equals to 1, we then have that 1 is equals to 3 raised to power s, and 1 can be expressed as a power of 3, which is 3 raised to power 0, because any variable raised to power 0 will give us 1 equals to 3 raised to power s. We cannot, since their base are the same, we can equate their index s is equal to 0. Therefore, the solution for x for this question now is x equals to 0. And it has only one solution. I believe you liked the video. You can comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.